So here we are with the on-the-air test for the customer's York 863. And as you know, these radios have got knobs for knobs. The biggest snag, which took more time than anything, was seeing what they'd done to the channel 9 switch. And there was a shorting link they'd introduced, which was frustrating. I've not heard anybody on this yet, so Mr. Chippie will hopefully be out there shortly. It's been snowing again this afternoon. It's about -1 at the moment, and we know how the Midland 78 Plus multi...
I'll need to clean the snow off the headlights, etc. before I go anywhere.
Oh, Roger, first person I've heard on this. Oh, well, obviously his Midland 78 Plus multi latest model with blue display is not so out of lock with the cold today.
Right, Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're on as well.
Excellent!
Right, we just come up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Right, we're now passing the service station over.
Roger on that, got you at Ancaster service station.
Right, we're now going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads, so the radio works for a mile.
Very good. Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger.
I'll tell you what, we'll change the tone to high. I'll just show you that. Middle, low, middle, high. Will improve the clarity. Well, it does for me anyway.
21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner, that's loud and clear.
Roger. Oh, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Grayleys turn.
Roger, that's excellent at Grayleys.
There's 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rorsby Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rorsby Level Crossing. That concludes the test, thank you. Are you going to take Mr. Thingy's parcel with the audio lines over?
Yeah, Roger, I'm going to stop that.
Excellent, okay, thank you. 10-10. Good, right. Well, do you know what we forgot to do when we were doing the previous video? We forgot to do the zetagiometer test. So we better do the zetagiometer test right now. So I'll swap back to a link lead. So we know the radio is doing 4 real watts. So we want to know how many zetagi watts it's doing. So we'll go back to channel 20 for fairness. Is that in camera? No, it's not. Oh, it's just doing 5.5 zetagi watts. How handy. Good. We better put it back on the aerial. And then we'll do a test into our base station. Now these radios have got a clear position as a type of speech processor in these radios. And I'm going to switch it to both positions. We're on normal position at the moment. And as you know, it's on a standard replacement microphone. So let's see what we get to our base station.
Tango 21, testing the York JCB863 into our CBHQ base station. This is with a standard replacement microphone and the radio in normal position. Now switching to clear position. This is the clear position. And back to normal position, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And thank you for watching.